Ready to transform your hotel's online presence into a booking powerhouse? We'll walk you through creating a website that not only looks fantastic but also converts visitors into paying guests, step by step. First, choose a website builder or content management system CMS like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace, which offer user-friendly interfaces and pre-designed hotel templates. Select a template that aligns with your hotel's brand and style now. Let's get to the essentials. Prominently feature your online booking system. Ensure it's easy to find and use on every page. Next, create detailed room descriptions accompanied by high-quality images. Showcase different room types, sizes, and amenities to entice potential guests. Use professional-grade photos that highlight the room's best features: natural light, comfortable beds, and appealing decor. Don't forget to showcase your hotel's amenities. Dedicated sections for your pool, gym, restaurant, spa, and any other features your hotel offers include enticing descriptions and high-quality images to entice potential guests. Create a dedicated section highlighting local attractions near your hotel. This adds value for your guests and helps them plan their trip. Include a map for easy navigation. Feature irresistible special offers and packages prominently on your homepage. This encourages immediate bookings. Keep these offers fresh and updated. Integrate secure and reliable payment gateways to facilitate seamless online transactions. Popular options include Stripe and PayPal. Optimize your website for search engines SEO using relevant keywords to improve your visibility in search results. Use keywords such as hotel and city name and affordable hotel. And remember to ensure your website is responsive, meaning it adapts to different screen sizes, desktops, tablets, and smartphones. With these tips, you're well on your way to creating a compelling hotel website that attracts guests and boosts bookings. Don't forget to subscribe for more hospitality marketing tips.